Do you have a budding nature documentarian at home? Here are 7 gift ideas that will ignite their passion for exploring and sharing the wonders of the natural world. 1. A high-quality magnifying glass for close-up exploration. 2. A nature journal for recording observations and sketches. 3. Binoculars to help them spot wildlife from a distance. 4. A wildlife identification guide to learn about local flora and fauna. 5. A camera or smartphone lens attachment for capturing stunning photos. 6. A field microscope for examining tiny specimens. 7. A subscription box for monthly nature-themed activities. Visit www.parentgame.com for more gift guides and ideas.